This is vlog episode 37 and the unboxing of DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Take 1. So it's the start of 2025. And as I begin another new year, I welcome every waking day with a strong feeling that there will be new stories waiting to be told. From the mundaneness of every passing day, to the in-between moments that happen outside of work. I know that there will be these stories that I could just capture in a sequence of events and put together in a couple of videos for me to share to you all. And for a while now, I've been able to use a couple of recording devices to which I call my A, B, and C cameras. My A camera has been my Sony a7S III. It takes excellent videos in different focal lengths with the interchangeable lenses, but with me having to carry it on the go, it has been cumbersome at times. Image stabilization, sometimes I would resort to. So yeah, you know what I mean. That's when I usually lean on to my B camera, my iPhone 14 Pro Max. It takes great videos, by the way, and I could just grab it from my pocket. To be able to take selfies and videos and just capture moments on the fly, just the convenience of it, you know? 1 second. Hello? The only thing though is that every time I take selfie videos using the rear-facing lens, I couldn't really sometimes frame my shot because I couldn't really see what's on the screen. And then there's my C camera, my GoPro. It's been portable and durable. Catch. For the durability factor, and yeah, it still works. The thing though is that unlike my Sony or the iPhone, it doesn't take high quality video, especially in low light conditions. And for a while now, I've been trying to look for a camera that I could easily carry and take better quality videos. And that sweet spot that I couldn't really get from using the Sony or my iPhone or the GoPro until recently, when I finally got the chance to get the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. how handy this thing is. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3. This comes with a case. Like everything is just all in this one unit right here. The filters are all inside the case. You see this? And all I have to do is just grab it. Has the battery handle on it with the tripod stand. And all I have to do is just look at that. And then it just starts recording. Let's see how this performs.
So what's the best time for you? We could play your games, but I could never see me lose. And I've been checking out your moves. You will slip and slide, but I can always catch your groove, catch your groove. I've been hurt before and saw you inside me. Pulling on my heart, all the strings will fly, see. You can take the cake, I'm just icing. Blow so quick, never fuck with the Pisces. But I look quick. You can change shape and take. With a broken heart and nights apart, I'm wide awake and I'm just still thinking about you. But baby, I've been doing all I can, and baby, I'm not built to fight like on the daily. But you know I just need a little training. And now I'm a little too much. We get stuck in this place where I'm lost without a chase, but I can't seem to find any better use of time. Come on now, baby. Yeah, you know I just need a little training. Come get me. So what's the best time for you? Yeah, we can play your games, but I could never see me lose. I've been checking out your moves. Oh, you a slip and slide, but I can always catch your groove, catch your groove. But what's the use why we so dark? I like this better at the start. Just holding hands, forgive his feet, but we don't backtrack gracefully. Here, baby, I've been doing all I can, and baby, I'm not built to fight like on the daily. But you know I just need a little training. And now I'm a little too much. We get stuck in this place where I'm lost without a chase, but I can't seem to find any better use of time. Come on now, baby. Yeah, you know I just need a little training. Come get me. So what's the best time for you? We could play your games, but I could never see you lose. And I've been checking out your moves. You will slip and slide, but I can always catch your groove.
So does camera size really matter? You know what I think? I think it's the stories that come with it that does.